Nice. Welcome, welcome. We're well centered. So, welcome to this channel. If you're new, if you're old, a subscriber, thank you very much to follow me along this journey. So, today I wanted to do a little recap of 2024. We're recording this video. It's the 29th of December. So, there's 2 more days for 2024. So I must say, 2024 was really incredible in terms of personal accomplishments and perseverance. And we always, I'd say, look onto what we did new or what we did different, and we consider this as an accomplishment. For me, I would add also one category is to be perseverant in what or what you are already engaging in. And for a long time, I had a dream to, go through this whole academic curriculum because cancer was a disease that really affected me or affected my way of seeing the world in a young age. Seeing a lot of parents, getting diagnosed from cancer, dying from a young age from cancer, and having, my friends that had to experience their parents dying from a younger age was really telling to me. So, as someone who likes to try to understand things in a deeper way and meaning, I'm really proud of this process that I went through from graduating from undergrad in 2016 to following this desire of understanding more this disease. And I'm really grateful of my choice. I didn't expect that based on my curriculum because I decided to find ways to try to apply directly what we understand from science and go into this, let's say, pharmaceutical sphere, understand how that works. But instead, faith made it that I went into more of a basic science curriculum. It really helped me enjoy, the world around us on a more simpler and basic way, and understand and enjoy the reasons why cancer could arise from that. And finishing a PhD is one of my greatest accomplishments. It wasn't really easy going through all the battleship you have to go through, fighting for your thesis, your ideas. I know I'm not alone in this, but having an awesome PhD advisor that felt sick, or in a way, if you have a PhD advisor but you feel not supported or alone in this journey, it's totally normal. It's the way that the academic mind or sphere is designed. And it's really sad to kind of acknowledge this, rough reality that scientists have to go through. And I still believe that it shouldn't be that way. And this is one of the reasons I, created this channel to maybe spread more of that message. The second accomplishment that I'm more proud of, it was this big decision to maintain this studio business, starting a business on the side, especially when you are on the grad studies, is not easy. I felt lucky to have this, desire to go through that hassle, I would say, because now I realize that I defended my thesis in October and I'm more fully engaged in my business activities from the past, I would say, 2 months, really focusing on one thing is challenging already. It's hard, but it's totally worth it. And really, I'm grateful for this. Business wise, it wasn't really easy this year because I had to do the rough decision to renovate the place in a way. This is a big monetary investment from my end. Again, spending is part of the business. So if you really want to be on top of the game, you have to be willing to invest on whatever is your field of business, the service or product you're giving. You really need to invest in your business in terms of how people can find you. If you have like a studio like me, the equipment, how you handle all the equipment, the insurance of the equipment, renovating the place that is, if needed, important, and all the automation of the business and the legality also of the business. So I am slowly opening my mind to this reality that you have to kind of spending on the business, but I see it more in terms of investing in it. So those are two of my biggest accomplishments this year. Nothing crazy. Last year in 2023, I was really proud of slowly starting the business, publishing my 2 papers. But this year was like more finishing my thesis, slowly removing all those other tasks that I have to do on the side. I'm teaching one last semester next year, so I'm really excited about that as well. So, yep, I'm also grateful for all the nice connections I've met. You have to go outside of your comfort zone to, create deep and meaningful connections, not just in your sphere, but really, aim large and see what you can fish with the fish net. Usually, entrepreneurs like to make this fishing analogy to either go fish for bigger clients, but yeah, networking was one of my biggest realization this year. That's it. This is a quick summary. Graduating from a PhD was really the most beautiful thing that happened this year. Hustling on the business, keep going despite the challenges. It wasn't easy, but I'm really grateful where I am currently, and enlarging my networks. Those are my 3 biggest takes and accomplishments of this year. I hope, if whether you're an entrepreneur or a PhD student watching this, you get inspired by my journey, because I feel that I lived through a lot in a very, very short period of time. Sorry. And it allowed me to learn a lot very quick. Maybe not everything. I didn't learn everything in a deep way, I would say, but having to touch all those and juggling with all the struggles that I had to allowed me to be more open and say more to some of the challenges that I'm currently facing. So on that note, have a great day and speak to you soon.